Hello, hello, hello. Albanidis Konstantinos here, and let's create one video because I noticed that free advertising for you is not having a video to when I open it to Affiliate Pal, and I just wanted with all the banners and the affiliate links to add a special video. Okay, let's see now. We can go straight to Flexclip. I'm gonna click AI video generator. Okay, let me show you here. I'm gonna use. Uh, I can use article or URL to video, or I can use AI text to video. Here I can paste the script, the prompt. It's create a video script. Uh, or first search and find information about free advertising for you. Create a video script following the IDA rule promoting the product or service presented in the following link. Keep the total characters, number of characters, okay, under 1100 and over 900. Each sentence should be less than 100 characters. Keep the language super simple and easy to understand. Ask viewers to click the link in the description and find out more. Okay, I'm gonna select one of the subtitles here. Okay, I'm gonna select this one that I usually like a lot. But I can select this one. Okay, and I'm gonna click on generate. Okay, let's see what's gonna happen and what's gonna be the result. We want to save time, that's why all the tools that I'm promoting and showing you how to use them are always to save time. Okay, let's see what is the result. We can change anything we want here. You see, we can select replace media because I can play the media here to see what it's all about. You see, welcome to free advertising for you. You see all the other that we have here. You can replace any media with anything else you want, or you can just leave it like it is. Let's try to add to timeline. I'm gonna say replace all, apply, and I'm gonna see here what is going on. You see, uh, we got the video ready to play. Um, okay, now it's asking me to if I want to download the subtitles and all those stuff that the Flexclip produced. I can make, you see, the subtitles bigger here. I can even take it up and take it up here to look that way. You see, it's really funny, and at the same time I can click the music here. I'm gonna go to the audio. I got the music here. I'm gonna select the music. Let me show you audio settings, and I'm gonna take the music a little bit down so that it's about 10, the volume, and we are done. Let's see the result. Okay,
Are you tired of ineffective advertising? Welcome to free advertising for you. We have a solution that really works. Promote your business for free. No hidden fees or catches. Just sign up and start advertising. Reach more customers without spending a dime. Our platform is user-friendly and effective. Share your ads across multiple channels. Grow your audience and increase sales. Join thousands of satisfied members today. It's time to boost your business visibility. Click the link in the description below. Discover how free advertising for you can help you. Get started with free advertising now.
You see, it's really amazing. It's really easy. It's a time saver, okay? Time saver, that's the most important stuff. With just a few clicks, you can even use my prompt, and you just got a nice, good looking, and really interesting video. We can we can have the subtitles here. We can make them a little bit bigger to look like that. I think this kind of subtitles are really very interesting and nice. That's why I use them a lot. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed that how easy is to use Flexclip to create your video projects. I will see you to the next one. Stay tuned for many interesting AI tools like Flexclip. Bye bye.